Hello everyone, in this video I want to customize the Start Cutscene. Select the Race Manager, Start Cutscene and the camera. The first camera move forward, this is the settings. Next one up. The first one move to forward. This camera move to the forward, you can from here align the view. As you can see, the camera now is okay. Next one, move up. The camera to move up. We can move up here. Align to the view. The third one, move side. Here is good. Align view. Last one, move up. We can set it forward. Race start, move forward. As you can see, the camera now works well. You can easily customize setting, aspect, duration, intensity is aspect, as you can see the duration is much more. You can also select the banner and customize the size. Everything is possible. From Race through UI, find cutscene banner. We can reduce the size. Change size of the text and everything that you like. I hope this video will be useful to you. Finally, you need to disable it. Everything will depend on your taste.